Ano? Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play tower. So anyways guys, if you want to see my video, so make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we're always wanted to beat that game for EDC tower, I guess. So anyways guys, subscribe and that, and also if you want to see my videos, so channel subscribe it now, and also I don't wanna have fun. Bro, stop lagging. Stop it. Stop lagging. Stop lagging, I think. So we're going to beat that game. Stop it. We're going to beat that game. That I wanted to troll. But anyways, how can I? This. Oh wait, this impossible. So anyways, what the? Bro, stop lagging. Bro, stop lagging. Wait, can I jump? Wait, I have a stage, I think. Oh my god. Uy. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no. Bro, I don't know. I don't know how to just beat it. Because I keep lagging so much that it's so impossible. Because it's so impossible. Because it's so impossible to beat it. Because I don't know. Okay. Okay, we're going to play. Okay, stop making lagging. Ah! Stop lagging. Stop. Uy. Ah! Stop. Stop. Stop lagging. Stop. Don't ever lag again. Oh wait, there's a boy. What the heck? That? What's that? I don't know. What are you doing? What the heck? He's a pro? I don't know how. I don't know how to beat it. Bruh! Don't. Stop it, please. Don't ever fall. I don't know what I'm talking about because I don't have a speak language today, guys. We need to beat that game. And also there's invisible walls, or there's invisible, guys. Okay, so anyways, I don't want to be music because it's gotta be forgot. I'm going to beat the entire game. Oopsie. Oops. I think it's easy. Wait, can I just chill? What? Or right now, or just Oh, this one. These obstacles. Okay, this one. Okay. I am a bit lagging. So since we are what the? We are I don't know. Sorry. Up, I think. We are up. I don't, bro. Stop. Bro, why I keep lagging so much that what's that? Invisible slash or this? Oh wait, this ice. Trying to everyone. Okay, that's good. So stop. No. Ah, stop it. Stop. Bro, stop lagging. Bro, how did I get? Why did I get lagging? Wait, can I go this? How? Impossible! Oops. Yes. Come on! Oh wait, I should just become a pro, I think. I'm a pro master, I think. But anyways, oops. It will cause damage, I think. It will cause damage. Come on, we're almost there. I think we're almost there. Oops. 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 This Japanese speaking, I guess. I think this is Japanese speaking. Stop my. Come on, guys. We need to beat that game. Oh my god, I keep lagging so much. It's literally impossible, guys. It's impossible to beat it. Okay. Mark, it's literally impossible, guys. Stop lagging. Why do I get sweat? I'm getting sweat with the lagging, I think, guys. We're going to be lagging, I think. For invisible wasted more time, I guess. So let me know in the comments, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, we're almost there. Ouch. We need to beat that game. The impossible game. Ah! Stop it! Oh, this. Red. This time. Ooh. Okay, how? No, I'd leave this game. So, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys.